Good evening. The army has been mobilised tonight to help victims of major flooding across a large part of the UK. Worst hit is Cumbria, where a major incident has been declared.
Particularly hard hit, an area called Cumbria, really devastating scenes of flooding. Officials are telling me that the amount of rainfall that they saw there over the weekend is
Cumbria remains one of the
unprecedented.
worst affected areas, as we know, and the main reason is because of the amazing amount of rain they had earlier in the weekend. Honister near Keswick recorded around 14
This is
inches of
a
rain.
very wet and, let's be honest, miserable Cumbria this morning. Not surprisingly, because it is the county that has borne the brunt of Storm Desmond.
When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all.
I'm on your side. Times get rough and friends just can't be found,
Like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. And like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down.
when you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around,
Like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. Like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me Sail on, silver girl, sail on.